What's up, YouTube? Hey man, today we have a ton to talk about. Okay, a lot of stuff happening inside these markets today. But before I go ahead and start this video, make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Okay, I need 5,000 likes on this video. Okay, we got a lot of stuff to talk about today, so stay tuned, guys. Okay, so the market today, a lot of stuff has been dipping. Okay, but according to our plan, that is really good. Okay, so we want to be buying on the dips because we have a ton of cash saved for all these dips. Remember, guys, make sure you always save cash in case, you know, a stock you've been looking at is on a discount. Okay, we went over a lesson yesterday, and now I actually got my most lengthy email today. We're gonna go ahead and check it out with you guys, so let's go. Okay, guys, so this email comes from Mark. He says, "Thank you, coach. I wanted to share some exciting news and reflect on how your guidance has shaped my trading journey. Your insights on Boeing, ticker symbol BA, support and resistance level were spot on." Okay, guys, so yesterday we just talked about how Boeing loves to, you know, bounce off the support levels. Okay, I showed multiple times on the weekly chart on how you would, you know, set up for your play. Okay, the key resistances and support levels, don't forget that. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and read more, and they led to one of my most successful trades yet. Okay, Mark, thank you so much for the email. I haven't even read most of it yet, but that is amazing. Okay, first and foremost, congratulations, Mark. You made your plan. You made your plan. You decided to pull the trigger. Okay, so you played the key supports and resistance levels. You saw, you were looking at the stock. Okay, out of the 30 stocks you go ahead and scan, okay, Boeing popped up the most, so there we go. And he says, honestly, before entering the trade, I was nervous. I've always struggled with hesitation when it comes to pulling the trigger, especially on trades where I'm putting more at stake. Even though the charts were clear and the levels were solid, I kept second guessing myself. But then I remembered what you've always emphasized: trust the process. Okay, guys, the setup was there, the support was strong, and the conditions match what we've practiced so many times. And guys, I go over these lessons every time on the video. Okay, not once but multiple times. Okay, so you guys can understand, learn the concepts. Okay, support, resistance, volume. Okay, what's a good price to buy out, what's a, you know, good price to sell out. Okay, we go over everything here on this channel, so you guys want to tap in. Okay, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let's go ahead. Okay, this is once again a lengthy email. Okay, usually the emails are not this long, but you know, it's more insightful, so we're gonna go ahead and include this here today. Okay, so he says, all right, the setup was there, the support was strong, and the conditions match what we practiced. So yeah, like I said, what we just went over. So he says, I went for it. I entered a call option as Boeing hit the support level. So guys, you know, Boeing support level was previously, you know, 145, 154. Okay, as it goes higher, the touch points, okay, on the chart, those are what you call support. Okay, so he said he watched Boeing hit the support level. Watching the stock bounce exactly as you predicted was incredible. It moved steadily towards the resistance level, and sticking to the plan paid off. Okay, guys, I want you guys to take that away. Make sure you guys follow your plan, okay, because it's gonna go ahead and set you up for a higher goal. Okay, set you up for a higher place of wealth. The trade ended with one of the best returns I've had to date. Okay, Mark, that is incredible. Like I said already, congratulations to you. This was a huge moment for me. It wasn't just about the profit, though that felt amazing. It was about overcoming that hesitation and learning to trust the analysis. Before watching your videos, I probably would have either skipped the trade out of fear or build out too early. But because of your guidance, I stayed calm, followed the strategy, and let the trade play out. Okay, guys, you hear that? He followed his strategy. He marked the key supports and resistance levels. He watched the charts. He did all sorts of technical analysis before confirming an entry even into the trade, and he knew where to sell out. Okay, once you guys enter a trade too, especially if it's options, make sure you know where your selling points at. Okay, and also get your stop loss going too. And finally, we're almost at the end of the note here. It's incredible how much confidence I gained through your coaching. Reading charts, identifying key levels, and understanding market behavior used to be so overwhelming, but now I'm starting to feel like I can navigate it all with purpose. This trade showed me that staying disciplined and sticking to what I've learned can lead to real success. Okay, guys, follow your rules. Okay, don't let the rules go. Okay, if a trade goes sideways, if it goes another way than what you planned, don't take the trade. Okay, make sure to take that trade when you go ahead and line everything up, everything looks good, go ahead and take that trade. Okay, but that's according to your plan. Trade your plan. I'm looking forward to seeing you on Tuesday to break this down and keep building on these wins. I know every video from you pushes me closer to becoming the trader I want to be. Thank you again for everything, coach. This trade wouldn't have been possible without you. Thanks again, Mark. Well, Mark, it's been an honor to make these videos for y'all. As you all know, I make these videos to help you guys out, okay? So for those new people who are just, starting to navigate the market, okay? Don't know anything about technical analysis, don't know anything about the stock lingo, I got you, okay? I got you. Coach got you guys. Okay, so look, guys, right now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at Boeing charts because Mark did say he wanted to take this look over in the video as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and provide that for you, Mark. Okay, so look, Boeing is at currently $165, okay? Up 4.5%. And guys, 4.5% for Boeing is a huge move, okay? That's just an incredible move. All right, guys, so if we go to the options real quick, you guys are gonna see that a lot of call options, okay, were up 300%, 200%, 100%, okay? For those who are closer into the money, okay? The team absolutely ate today, okay? And if we take a look at the chart right here, let's go ahead and get back to the beginning. It was at 157 pre-market, okay? But if we take a look at the 1 week chart, you guys remember, okay, I called this out last video multiple times. We were talking about the weekly chart, okay? You could see a bunch of support at that 154 level and a ton of resistances right here, okay? So right here at 160, a key resistance. You're gonna see this time and time again, okay, guys? So we see a resistance at 160 at December 4, and then following up at December 5. We actually retested this level, but got pushed down, okay, guys? So right here, we were at basically the same level, okay? 159, closer to 160, and then we went all the way down to 156. So we let that cool off for a day. Then on December 8, okay, Boeing went down all the way near this next support at, the 155 level, bounced off the support, and now guess what we have, okay? So look right here, December 9, it opened up at 9 a.m. It was up 2%, but once again, it hit that resistance level, okay, at 160. Okay, so after 160 was tested, it went back down to support again at 157. You guys are gonna see here 157, okay, 156 on December 6th. So nothing different, just a new support established, okay? Old support becomes resistance and resistance becomes support later on, okay? And guys, today you heard it, okay? Boeing started off at 157, but we quickly retested that 160 level, okay? And then we just blasted through because this time, okay, after failing 3 times, we finally got through the resistances, okay? Boeing got its push, it got to 160, rejected, came back down, okay, pre-market, and then it's just soaring up today, okay? So everyone saw in the pre-market that Boeing broke over that 160 resistance and we're off to new heights, okay? We launched off and next resistance is at 165, guys. So that's the new level for Boeing. But guys, this video isn't just about Boeing, okay? We have a ton more stocks and crypto to talk about. Hey man, so check it out right here, okay? We're gonna be talking about ticker symbol XRP, okay? That is XRP, the crypto. And guys, there is a ton of news on XRP, okay? If you take a look at the 1-day chart, okay, Ripple had a huge dip. And guys, by the way, if you don't know about XRP, the other name for XRP is Ripple. So Ripple dipped all the way, okay, at 9:50 a.m. all the way down below, to $1.90, okay? So we got some news on why it is up 6% today, and that news is that the Ripple CEO stated that the RLUSD stablecoin, okay, so that's the Ripple stablecoin, received final approval from the NYD Financial Services. So that's the New York Department of Financial Services, and there's, a lot more news about whales depositing more tokens into Binance, okay? So we could get a retest of XRP's highs later on, but you guys know, in order for a coin to go through the New York Department of Financial Services, okay, it takes so much approval, okay? Hours upon weeks on months of approval, guys. So that is why XRP jumped nearly 7% today, okay? XRP can run if it breaks its key resistances here at 260, guys. So be on the lookout for that, okay? And then also we're gonna go ahead and talk about Ethereum next. Okay, guys, so we're now gonna be talking about Ethereum, okay? Ticker symbol ETH. Ethereum is sitting at about 3,670, okay? Right now it is down 1.5% per day, and if you take a look at the week, it is down, almost not even a percent, okay? Not even 0.5%, but it did make its highs towards 4,000, okay? 4,076, okay? So pretty much 10% down in the span of, from December 6th until now. So guys, what's up with Ethereum? Well, it's going to have have its pullback, okay? So as Ethereum rose up from all the way, okay, let me go ahead and zoom out. Actually, we had that huge dip at 2400, okay? A lot of people picked up the dip, okay? They didn't say anything, they didn't, you know, buy at the top, and then, you know, we ran all the way to 4,000. So what is going to happen? Well, eventually we're going to have those pullbacks, okay? Those pullbacks come and go, you know, as crypto gives a ton of opportunity. You could see right here, okay? If we scroll to February 4th, okay, February 3rd, Ethereum was 1 point worth 2,300, okay? So, you know, when it ran up, okay, when it ran up all the way to the 4,000 levels, okay, it made its top. So same thing is happening here right now, okay? You guys can see the technical analysis between charts, okay? Everything works in patterns, okay, guys? So look, all right, so it's made its top at 4,000. You guys can notice right here, okay? We also made another top at 4,000. And where's the support, right? Where is the support for Ethereum? Well, actually, if you take a look, okay, at the January 28 price, okay, 2,200. And if you take a look right here, okay, we are trading with support at the 2,300, 2,200 levels, and then we go ahead and bounce off, okay, guys? So, you know, if you're curious on why there's a lot of dips or stuff is retesting in the market, okay, take a second, okay? Take a second to zoom out on the charts, okay? Look what happened 1 month ago, okay? 3 months ago, 1 year ago, okay? So take a look at every single time frame before, you know, you look at the main picture, okay? You know, before you ask why it's dipping, go ahead and take a look at the charts first, guys. Okay, guys, next up, we got to be talking about Tesla, okay? Ticker symbol TSLA. Tesla is sitting at $404.71, guys. It is up 2% today, and as you can see, you know, pre-market is up nearly 8%, and then it just took off, guys. So with Tesla, a lot of stuff happened, okay? We were talking about that $400 level, okay, for that psychological level, and then we will be looking for Tesla to hit all-time highs pretty soon, guys. So we took a look at the month on Tesla. It is up 17% in the past month, okay, guys? A lot of people love Tesla. It's been showing its volume tremendously, okay? And also, we broke through the resistance of $401, guys. So now we're at $404. You could see past support levels, you know, include 391, okay? So for those who, you know, sat back, mapped their resistance out, mapped their supports out, they saw those dips, they took advantage, they bought into a dip, and now they're up a few percent, guys, okay? So make sure before you enter a trade, make sure you mark your technical analysis points, okay? So look at the charts, okay? Look at, you know, everywhere. Then, you know, sometimes you need to go ahead, zoom out, like I said, for Ethereum, okay? Zoom out for Ethereum, zoom out for Tesla the same way, okay? Zoom out for Boeing. Look at all the charts, look at the technical analysis side, mark out your supports, okay, guys? So we got one more stock. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, guys, so the next stock is Nvidia, okay? Ticker symbol NVDA. It is now down 2.5% today, and it's up, you know, nearly 0.5% overnight, or below 0.5% overnight. And you could see that Nvidia tested its $141 level today, okay? And then you could see a huge dip, okay, all the way down to 134. So what does that mean, guys? So that means we have a new resistance, okay? Previous resistance was 140. We have a new resistance at 141. So if Nvidia breaks through 141, it's gonna blast off. But we're gonna go ahead and map out the supports for you guys once again. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so right now we're sitting at $135.65. But if we take a look at the week, okay, you can see some patterns from it, okay? The resistance before that is 137. And let's take a look at the month. Okay, you can see something again. Right now, you can see that Nvidia is down 5%. But if you guys are trading, you will notice that there was a support level at 134. And what did it do at 134 right now? Well, if we go ahead and go to 134, it did bounce off, okay? That was the support. Now I'm gonna see Nvidia trade in this 135 range, but once we want to go higher, okay, it's got to break that 137 level, then the 141, the main resistance of today, guys. So keep on the lookout for Nvidia, okay? Extremely high volume stock. I'm looking at the volume right now, 210 million. That's a lot, guys. But anyways, guys, that is the end of the YouTube video, okay? If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button, make sure to share this video, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below, okay? Good luck tomorrow, guys. I believe in each and every one of you. Coach out. Bye, guys.